Secure order. Instant supercomputer mental ability. Alpha Wake is a revolutionary brain supplement formulated to give you ultimate brain power. Known in scientific terms as a nootropic or genius pill, Alpha Wake improves mental functions such as cognition, memory, intelligence, motivation, attention, concentration, and therefore happiness and success. You will be limitless. A healthy mind that is supercharged to fire on all 12 cylinders will propel you to higher standards. Alpha Wake's advanced cognitive formula is made with all natural occurring ingredients to fuel your brain. It is a safe and fast way to increase your daily energy levels and will put you on the path to ultimate success in life. Alpha Wake will increase academic and work performance. Study less and play harder. Blow away the competition at job interviews, work, or school. Reduce stress and increase your happiness and success quotients. Turbocharge key aspects of brain power. Alpha Wake simultaneously stimulates for areas of brain power, focus, memory, mental energy, and overall brain health. That means winning results in everything you do. 1. 2. Attention and focus. Alpha Wake enhances the brain so you have razor-sharp focus. Anywhere. Anytime. Unlock long-term memory. A key component to success. See once and remember forever. Working memory. It is crucial to quickly master tasks and making you so efficient that you get the job done with extreme performance. Information processing. The speed with which your brain acts, and sometimes the difference between success and failure, is the lightning-quick thinking that Alpha Wake provides. Extra benefit. Alpha Wake safeguards your brain and provides a layer of cognitive protection, like an invisible supercharger, to boost your memory and guard your neural function against brain fog syndrome. Alpha Wake releases your genius. Alpha Wake is a 100% natural water-soluble supplement that quickly enters the brain to protect neurons, improve signal transmission, and support brain function and learning processes. It stimulates brain function so you can actually build new neurons and neural pathways. Adequate functioning of neurotransmitter synthesis is essential in maintaining a healthy cognitive state that will supercharge your thinking capacity and lead to your ultimate success in anything that requires superior brain power. Before. After. Alpha Wake is clinically supported to promote nerve growth in the brain, support brain cell walls, supercharge crucial neurotransmitters, deliver vital nutrients, vitamins, and amino acids, support increased blood flow and oxygenation to the brain, support brain protection from neurotoxins and free radicals, increase brain energy and your ability to use it, stimulate brain plasticity for ultimate brain boost, enhance your mental state. Alpha Wake is so effective you will have lightning-fast thinking under any circumstances, including a genius-level boost when you are tired, have brain fog syndrome, or even after a heavy night of drinking. Don't let the demands of your job, school, or social life slow you down. Alpha Wake maximizes your concentration with ultimate efficiency so that you have more time for the things you and your brain would rather be doing. The health boost you receive from Alpha Wake is so successful at keeping your brain optimized that you can solve problems quicker, from academic pressure to helping you quickly solve personal issues. Give yourself a mental edge in any circumstance. Don't ever fall prey to brain fog at a critical time. When you are dealing with the pressure of academic tests or increased career workload, you need exceptional neural performance exactly when you need it. Don't spend hours and hours trying to remember that friend's name or phone number only to let insufficient brain function destroy your thought process. Alpha Wake keeps you sharp, focused, and optimized for all moments in life when you need supercharged brain performance. Alpha Wake is the #1 choice for cognition enhancement. Premium Brain Supplement. Alpha Wake's unique formula is scientifically designed and tested to meet the highest standards of supreme cognitive function. We manufacture every pill with the utmost care in our ultra-modern facilities with full scientific quality assurance testing at every lab stage. Where other products depend on fillers and synthetic products, Alpha Wake is formulated with only the best natural ingredients that are clinically proven to give you the mental boost you need. We guarantee it. Supports complex and efficient functioning of your brain cells. Research-driven human studies confirmed safety and effectiveness. Manufactured in an expert-certified laboratory environment. We do not test on animals. This is what very satisfied, real customers have to say about Alpha Wake. 1, 2, 3. Where can we send your special promo package? First name.